Performing amputation surgery on a 100-ton excavator, and the surgeon is an overhead crane. Textbooks say you must disassemble it piece by piece. We're doing a full-track live organ transplant instead. These 100-ton elephant legs have bolts thicker than your calves. To conquer them, veteran operators use 3 ruthless moves. First, sever the tendons, then shatter the joints. The track suddenly sags 5 centimeters. 200-ton crane cables? Only rookies trust spec sheets. The real life or death line is here. Watch the master's manual calibration. 3 centimeters left swing, 2-second descent. Now this 90-ton steel leg lands as gently as a kitten. Track assembly thuds down precisely. Scene 3.